This time of year, recipes like this slow cooker beef Stifado or a Greek beef stew are exactly what you need to warm you up from the inside out. And they give you that nice little flashback to the summer holiday. First thing we're going to do is to fry off some whole shallots. Now this is like one of the only times I ever use shallots because I think it's a total pain in the arse to peel them all the time. But they work well in this recipe. And then you can add your garlic, and then that was frozen red wine. That's a little hack. If unlike the event there is some leftover red wine, I freeze it for using in cooking, and then you simmer down that red wine, pretty much burn it all off until you just get this syrupy sauce. Then add that to the slow cooker with all those spices and herbs, add in your lean beef, your tomato puree, corn flour, passata, and so on and so forth. Hit it up with plenty of seasoning, and then for this it is definitely low and slow. Give it 8 hours on low, that's the best for fall apart beef.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it comes to serving this bad boy, you can go with rice, pasta, couscous, super versatile and really delicious. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!